You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. To avoid any risk, put the arm delicately onto the windscreen. Before doing that, place a fold of kitchen roll on the windscreen to protect it.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, start in the same way as you finish removing it. Slide it along the holding. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Lift the wiper blade arm up. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, clip the blade into its housing. Put the wiper arm back. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.